Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question why does your AirPods Pro 3 are not charging. At the bottom of each earbud we have charging contacts, so right here we have silver line, and right here this one is touch charging contacts, also the same for the right earbud. So make sure that you haven't foil at the charging contacts and remove the foil if you have it. Also you can check it in the charging case if you have the foil here. When you remove it, I recommend it to clean these charging contacts. So you can use isopropyl alcohol, you can apply it at the charging contacts. Isopropyl alcohol doesn't conduct electricity, so there will be no short circuit. And then clean it with a brush, or if you have a clean tool, you can use a toothbrush. Now, by the way, at this channel we have video how to clean this earbuds, so if you don't know how, you can check that video. And if it didn't help you, I recommend it to firstly check your cable and adapter, maybe you need to replace them and use another one. And also USB-C port at the bottom of the charging case, and we have it, so check is everything okay with it. Also, you can try to use wireless charging, so you can use reverse wireless charging from your phone or wireless charging station if you have, and check if your headphones are charging. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!